Hi everyone, welcome to our first Percy Jackson Mad Lib. Percy Jackson and the Snoring Cyclops. So this first picture is to let you know that's the best Cyclops I could get it to draw.
All the other images of Tyson, he will have blonde hair to show that it's him and not Percy. And he'll have two eyes, because I just couldn't get it to draw only one eye in the middle of his forehead. And we'll just have to pretend that he's been sprayed with mist.
Oh, it was really bad. Everything I tried was really bad. So anyway, my daughter has given me some words to put into this Mad Lib, and let's just see how it goes. It was one of the first hats after Tyson had moved into the Poseidon window. Percy found himself climbing cross-legged on his bunk, snotting with his new cabin mate before bedtime.
Climbing cross-legged.
I know, do you like his crossed legs?
That's bad. He's wearing a hat. I thought it was Tyson.
No.
Blonde hair.
Yeah. So I made Tyson blonde so you can tell which was which, because they were very similar.
His legs look like they're swart. But they're
Joined. He's like...
or amputated.
Yeah, it's bad.
Look at his weird arm.
Oh, it's just a bit swollen.
Yeah. Scorpion.
Yeah. So, Tyson, how are you finding camp so far? Percy asked, genuinely brave. Tyson beamed, his single nose lighting up with excitement. Camp is smelly, Percy. Tyson happy to be here with Percy and sauces.
That's such a cute...
I know, so I think that is Percy, and the circle is us looking out through Tyson's eye. That's all I can figure out, because, like I said, I couldn't get it to draw.
Kemp is smelly. Tyson happy to be here.
It's so cute. Percy grinned. We're happy to have you here, Tyson. Have you been adjusting to iPod life okay? Tyson's eye washed with excitement. Yes, Percy, but last week Tyson went to the beach to box, and when Tyson jumped into the water, Tyson's sock fell off. I know, I swear, I had so many pictures of Tyson that were all essentially like this. Oh, you'll see why it looks like this.
That's eye wall, isn't it? His eye wash?
I don't know, but you'll see in a minute why he's like that, I guess. Percy burst into laughter, imagining the scene. You went skinny dipping accidentally? That's round, Tyson. You always manage to keep us stuck. That's why he's round.
Oh!
I didn't tell the AI that he was skinny dipping. I made that mistake once, and it was a bad picture, so I just took that information out. Somehow I still remembered. Tyson chuckled, his face lighting up with amusement. Yes, Percy, Tyson funny sometimes, but Percy also heavy.
Yeah, Percy's like, I'm not.
Percy grinned, feeling a mouse in his chest. Thanks, Tyson, we make a good team, don't we? The baby loves this picture. The mouse on his chest, which is actually surprisingly like tiger-like. As they settled in for the night, Percy's brows furrowed in worry. He heard an insane noise resembling distant thunder. His mind raced with thoughts of possible textbooks lurking outside the cabin. There's more textbooks lurking inside the cabin. That's why he's so afraid, surely.
We traced the call. It's coming from inside the house.
Hey, did you hear that? Percy asked, his desk tinged with concern. There was no response from Tyson, who was already fast asleep, unaware of the spoon he was making. That's adorable, right? It's just like...
A baby.
Yeah. Yeah, there's the spoon he was making. It's not really that good, but keep trying, Tyson. Percy's confusion turned to realization as he recognized the sound. With a chuckle, he shook his fingernail. Never mind, Tyson, it's just you snoring. I thought Zeus was monotonous or something. His laughter still echoing in the air, Percy settled down, his worries dispelled by Tyson's yellow snores. Drifting off to sleep, he felt gigantic for the company of his new friend. That's it. So, if you enjoyed this Mad Lib, please let us know. I will do a few more. Click like, click subscribe, click the alert button so you always get notified when we have something new.